Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. In the previous durus, it has been mentioned that the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that try to find the Laylatul-Qadr during the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan. And in one hadith it was also said that especially try to find this Laylatul-Qadr on the odd nights of the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan. Now it is also mentioned that once Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, the wife of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, asked the Prophet ﷺ that if I find that Laylatul-Qadr, then what should I pray? Now this was a very important question, very significant question, that if I feel that I have got the Laylatul-Qadr, what prayer I should do? In answer to this, the Holy Prophet ﷺ told her that you should pray to Allah that, O Allah, you are very forgiving God. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. That, O Allah, you are very forgiving God. And you love pardon and forgiveness. So forgive me. So there are only 3 sentences. Allahumma, O Allah, innaka afuun, you are very forgiving God. You are pardoning God. You pardon the sins of people. And Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa. Tuhibbu, you love. Al-afwa, forgiveness and pardon. Fa'fu anni, so please forgive me and pardon me. So if the sins of a person are forgiven, it means that he will be able to enter paradise. So this is why it is a very comprehensive prayer, and also it reminds us many things. One is that Allah loves forgiveness, so we should also forgive other people. If we are not ready to forgive other people, then we should not expect that God will forgive us. So the more we are forgiving to other people, the more Allah will be forgiving to us. And the other thing is that the most important prayer is that we should ask forgiveness from Allah the Almighty. So now these are the last few days left of the month of Ramadan. And in fact, the last night which has just passed, that was the night of 25th of the month of Ramadan. And tomorrow, the night which is coming, that will be of 26th, and then 27th, and then 28th and 29th. So although all these nights are in fact not only nights, the days and nights both, all these nights and days are very important, and we should try our best to find that time. But even if that time is there, if we are not praying to God Almighty, then we cannot benefit. So around us there will be many people who are having the Laylatul-Qadr, but we are deprived from that. And the Holy Prophet ﷺ has said that a person who is deprived from Laylatul-Qadr is most unfortunate person, Because Allah Ta'ala brought the month of Ramadan in his life. Allah brought the Laylatul-Qadr, but he didn't make any effort to find it. So may Allah enable us to have this great blessing of Allah Almighty.